Hello, audience. Hello, everybody. Hello. I'm just going to let a few people join in. कैसे हैं आप लोग? It's such a beautiful day outside, guys. Hello, everybody. Hi, hi. It's such a beautiful day outside. थोड़ी सी गर्मी लेकिन बढ़ गई है. That's all. That's all the problem is. बॉम्बे में. Welcome to Quarantainment Edition with Anurakti. This is Anurakti from Team Things to Do in Mumbai. And today we have someone really special, really sensational. आप लोगों को पता होगा that we have come in for a surprise edition of Quarantainment. We're going to have absolute amount of fun. I'm just going to let a few more people join in. Let's see. क्या आप लोग गेस कर सकते हैं कि आज हमारे साथ कौन लाइव जा रहा है? We're gonna have a real tight time today. Surprise. Yes, that's right, Digvijay. It's Mumbai, not Bombay. एक ही बात है, अब है. Jubin Nautiyal, exactly, that's right. We are going live today with Jubin, the wonderful, the most amazing, sensational Jubin Nautiyal. And I'm just waiting for him to come online and just join in. Jubin, if you're here, please send me a request and I'll add you in. Meanwhile, guys, you can tell me what have you guys been doing in quarantine? कैसे time spend कर रहे हैं आप लोग अपना? आप मुझे बताइए, तब तक मैं देखती हूँ if Jubin's here with us right now. Not yet though. So I'm just gonna wait for him for a bit. Please let me know, guys, what have you guys been doing in quarantine, I've just been, mostly what I've been doing is just painting a bit, cooking a lot, trying my hands on new things. I tried to make pani puris because I was missing it so much. And of course, I also made some pizza. Tell me, what have you guys been up to? And meanwhile, can I please... I'm just waiting for Jubin to join in. If he's online, that is. Jubin's on his way, guys. He's on his way. Teen Patti. Someone says Teen Patti. Shubham 11. That's crazy. You've been playing some Teen Patti. Nice. So Rikesh Singh says, please shout out. Of course, guys, this is one thing I'd like to tell you, that whoever is the top commenter today, we're going to be doing a shout out for you guys. I'm just waiting for Jubin to join in with us. What else have you guys been doing in quarantine, guys? Please tell me what is up. Yes, we all are waiting for Jubin, guys, and he's just gonna be online in just 1 minute. I'm also just waiting for him to join in real quick. Hello from Australia. Hello to you, Anamika. Digvijay, we all are waiting for him. Desai Sagar, ask him to play a song. Yes, you can all put down your requests in the comment section below. Also, we're doing something really fun today. We're going to be, taking his songs and we're going to be translating them into English lyrics. And you guys will have to guess which song is it that you too, Sabah. Let's go, Jubin. Yes, Nisha, that's right.
Hello.
Hello, hi, Jubin. How are you
Good, how
doing?
are you? What's up?
I'm great. This is Anna from Team Things to Do in Mumbai. We
Hi,
spoke
yes.
yesterday
Yes,
on.
hi, nice to meet you, Anna.
How are you
I'm good.
doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Nice to see you too. कैसे आप अपना time spend कर रहे हैं quarantine?
Uh, honestly, I am lucky to be locked up with four amazing musicians, and I'm just kind of.
Oh wow.
So I'm just trying to make this phone stable. How can I make this phone stable? It's moving too much.
A surface that you can keep it on. I have this really nice table और हर बार मैं यहीं पे set करती हूँ.
You have a good place then. Do this, okay. So I'm doing this really, really cool concert, and I'm kind of working on it with my friends, and that's how my quarantine is going right now. I'm hardly getting time for anything else.
That's lovely.
It's amazing.
That's lovely. And you were actually lucky enough to fly to Dehradun just in time.
I was.
Right before the lockdown, yeah.
I think the credit goes to my mom because she had to really push me to come down here and yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's amazing. So before we start chit-chatting about whatever we're doing today, I would like to tell the audience, guys, please, we're going to be taking a few requests. Put them down in the comment section below. I'm going to also pin Jubin's handle in the comments down there. And why don't we start off with one song and then let's get to chatting off about what's happening, right?
Which song do you want to listen to?
One of my personal favorites. One of my personal favorites that I think I really want you to get up head in. Can you please start with that? I just love that song.
Of course. I'll try to sing some acoustic version of that song. Huh?
Definitely.
कर्टन मत लगाया दिखेगा ही नहीं.
Wow.
देखो करीब से मिले हैं नसीब से आएगा पल ये फिर कहाँ आज अचानक तुमसे मिले हम ये तो नहीं है बेवजह पूछो जरा इस दिल से हम हैं मिले मुश्किल से कल फिर ना हो हम जो यहाँ गजब सोचो जरा ये दीवानापन देखो जरा हो तुम भी अकेले हम भी अकेले मजा आ रहा है कसम से oh yeah that's Gazab ka din for you. Thank you.
So I'm loving this.
Oh, so sweet.
So tell us about your concert, the garden concert that you're doing tomorrow.
It's my little way of giving back to the society. I think I'm home. I'm lucky enough to be here with my instruments and my musicians. The least I can do is we can just get together and play some sound, play some music for the people who are in lockdown right now. My friends from Bombay call me all the time, and they tell me how they have not stepped out of the house and stuff. So if I can take them for a small journey with me to the mountains, small 20-30 minutes musical journeys, and I think that's the least I can do in these situations. So it is about.
That's a wonderful thought. That's a wonderful thought. And so it's happening tomorrow, guys, 26th of April. It's happening on YouTube and Facebook that Jubin is going live. And you guys must definitely catch him there.
There's one more announcement. There's one more small announcement. Instead of going on TikTok live, we've decided to go on Instagram live, because since I've been doing these Instagram lives, I've been realizing that I have mad audience here, very musical audience here. So I think we'll be doing Instagram live. We'll go Instagram live. 6 p.m. we'll be playing on a channel called News 18. And 7 p.m. we'll go live on Facebook and YouTube. So please come, have fun, and let's jam with Jubin.
Absolutely, guys. Please log on. And before we get into anything else, we have a little fun, session planned with my team. So we have translated a few of your आपके सॉन्ग के कुछ लिरिक्स लेके हमने इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट कर दिया है. And I'm going to be telling you about it.
You get to guess, the audience gets to guess, and then let's hear it.
Okay.
How about that? Yeah?
Do it.
Yeah? Okay. So, here goes. This is the first one. Hear carefully. So cute. God made you so adorable. God made you so adorable. I can't take my eyes off of you. Which song is this, guys? Please put it down in the comment section below. If you are able to guess it, let me know. If not, I have the answer ready as it is. तो मैं तो आपको बता ही दूंगी.
Okay. Yes.
I'm going to repeat it.
Yes, please.
Okay. So cute. So God's made you so adorable. God's made you so adorable. I can't take my eyes off of you.
Wow, why can't I guess it? Okay. किन्ना सोना तेनू
Okay.
रब ने बनाया किन्ना सोना तेनू रब ने बनाया जी करे वेखदा रवा किन्ना सोना तेनू रब ने बनाया. Thank you.
Wow, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. Okay, so I have another translated lyric, that we have here. Okay, this is the second one. Here goes. I will not take a single breath without you. I've started loving you so much. I've started loving you so much. I will die along with you.
Okay. I will not take a single breath. सांस लेने से भी ज्यादा no.
Okay, here's a little hint. It's from this really famous movie that just came out with Shahid Kapoor.
Oh, okay. तुझे कितना चाहें और हम? Right?
Yes, that's right.
yes.
You got it.
Wow. तेरे बिन न लेंगे एक भी दम तुझे कितना चाहें और हम तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे खत्म हाँ है तुझे कितना चाहें और हम.
Wow, that was lovely. So, Jubin, tell us, आपने अभी recently कुछ दिन पहले ही एक collaboration किया था हनी सिंह के साथ, The Great. Tell us something about it. What went into the making of that entire collaboration?
So we worked on that song like 3 years back, and
okay.
I think we were both looking for the right time to be able to do this, to be able to release this collaboration because it's a special collaboration. We are two different artists,
Right.
North Pole, South Pole, completely different genres of music. And how we step out of our comfortable zone and reach somewhere in between where we can form a song which is unlike both of us. And that's where we add with the song.
Yeah.
It's a brilliant song. It's called The
Wow,
High
that's
Song.
wonderful.
And you would really like it. You would really like it. It's a very, very special
Yes,
collaboration.
absolutely, guys. You must check it out.
It's not out yet. It will be out very soon. And he kind of just announced it recently.
Absolutely.
And I don't know, probably we'll wait for the lockdown. And
On
then
22nd, yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, great. Awesome. So now I think we have a few requests in the comment section that we want to take up.
Okay.
So let's just get started with that. There are a few songs that Dil Ka Darya is one request.
Okay. You want me to sing that properly?
Dil Ka Darya.
Okay. दिल का दरिया बह ही गया राहों में यूं जो तू मिल गया मुश्किल से मैं संभला था हाँ टूट गया हूँ फिर एक दफा बात बिगड़ी है इस कदर दिल है टूटा टूटे हैं हम I'm I'm gonna sing the rest of the song tomorrow in my concert.
That's amazing. I think everybody will have to tune in क्योंकि आप एकदम cliffhanger पे छोड़ दिया उसको. Everybody, please tune in tomorrow for the Gaana concert that's happening live on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. All the details that you will get on Jubin's Instagram handle as well. Now, your most recent song, Tum Hi Aana, from the movie Marjawa, right? It has hit a whopping 150 million views already. That's crazy.
I think it has touched so many hearts that the kind of
It
love
has.
it has given me, it's worth much more than those millions of views. I think people are listening to this song in their most private and special moments, and that's so special for me.
Beautiful, Jubin. I love it. तो हम अपने फाइनल सेगमेंट की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं धीरे धीरे. Guys, whatever requests you have, I think we can take maybe a request or two more. There are a few people who've already requested for Hum Nawa. They really want to hear Hum Nawa.
You want to do it now?
Yeah, someone requested for that. And
कल रास्ते में गम मिल गया था, लग के गले में रो दिया, जो सिर्फ मेरा था, सिर्फ मेरा, मैंने उसे क्यों खो दिया. हाँ वो आँखें जिन्हें मैं चूमता था बेवजह, प्यार मेरे लिए क्यों उनमें बाकी न रहा. हम नवा मेरे, तू है तो मेरी सांसें चले, बता दे कैसे मैं जीऊंगा तेरे बिना. फासले ना दे कि मैं हूँ आसरे तेरे, बता दे कैसे मैं जीऊंगा तेरे बिना. Thank you.
wow.
Very good morning to you guys.
Amazing. So,
Very good morning to you guys.
a very a very good morning, afternoon, whatever it is, guys, at your end. Absolutely. So one final question before we come to our last song for the session. आप बॉम्बे में काफी टाइम से रह रहे हैं. In fact, you've also done your college here. So just for our things to do in Mumbai, fam, I would like to ask you, what is your most favorite thing to do in and around Mumbai? What is that one thing that defines Mumbai for you?
I think Mumbai is like a temple of chaos. It is so spiritual,
Yeah.
but so chaotic, and that's the beauty of it. And yeah, I think it's a temple of chaos, and that sums up the whole question.
Absolutely. Temple of Chaos it is. Temple of Chaos. All right. So one last translated lyric that I have here. Okay. Lyrics. One last song. It's a very easy one, actually. Okay. Here. Tell me something, oh life, about yourself, oh life.
One of my favorites too. कुछ तो तारों भरी एक रात में तेरे खत पढ़ेंगे, साथ में कोरा जो पन्ना रह गया इस कांपते से, हाथ में थोड़ी शिकायत करना तू, थोड़ी शिकायत मैं करूँ नाराज, बस ना होना तू जिंदगी, कुछ तो बता जिंदगी, अपना पता जिंदगी. Thank you.
Beautiful, beautiful. That was amazing, Jubin.
Likewise.
Thank you so much for joining us today and coming on to Things to Do in Mumbai's, quarantine edition. One request that I have from my team, in fact, my team had been already, somebody from my team had been constantly telling me about this one song that he loves. He's there in
Name
the
the
comment
person.
section below if you
Name the person. The person's called Zuhair Dhanani.
Zuhair Dhanani.
And he called me last
This
night.
is for you, brother.
Well,
Yes, absolutely. He called me and he told me ki Anurakti, I love this song, Hi Dil. Please ask him to sing it for me. And that's a beautiful song. In fact, let's hear it. First,
पाना तुझको तो ख्वाब था मेरा, तू क्यों भूल गया? पाना तुझको तो साथ था मेरा, तू क्यों भूल गया? दिल गम से भरा भीगा हुआ तेरे बिना, घर तू ना दिखा, तू ना मिला तो मर जाएगा। हाय दिल हाय जान, तू है कहाँ, किस लिए, क्यों हुआ इस तरह तू जुदा? That's for Zayed, brother. That's one of my most underrated songs, and thank you. You love it so much.
yes, he absolutely loved it. Special request आई थी मेरे पास उसके लिए.
Hanji? Yes. Hi, sorry.
Thank you so much, Jubin, for joining us today. This was amazing. And please, all of you guys, go. I think I haven't pinned it yet. This is Jubin Nautiyal. So your Instagram handle is @Jubin Nautiyal, isn't it?
Yeah. Jubin_Nautiyal, I think. That's my Instagram. And please join me. We'll do this nice garden concert together. And let me take you for a small journey.
Absolutely. Please join the garden concert tomorrow. Guys, it's going live on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. And you're going to have a lot of fun right from the mountains coming right to you. Love what we did today, Jubin. Thank you so much for coming.
You're amazing.
Please stay happy and
You too. Please
thank you so much. Please stay safe. Take care. That's it, guys. That was Jubin Nautiyal for us, the lovely, the amazing, the sensational who joined us here today. Also, like I mentioned, that we'd be giving a shout out to the person that's been, in the comment section. And so shout out to Mukul Rajput 138. Shout out to Garima _1406. Shout out to Sabah Khan 4205. Love you guys. Have fun. Please stay safe and happy.